Hello, welcome to this new tutorial on demo content import of Classilist Classified Ads WordPress theme. For this, go to the Appearance theme to add new theme. Click on Upload Theme. And for choosing file, look for exact zip file of Classilist Classified Ads WordPress theme. Click on Install Now. It will take few seconds to be done. Now click on Activate and get a list of required plugins to begin installing plugins, and select all the plugins to install and click on Apply. While done, click on Return to the dashboard, Plugins, then Installed Plugins. Find RT Demo Importer. Click on Install Demo Content. While clicking on it, it will show you 4 predefined home pages. Import your desired demo content and install any one what you like. After finishing installation, visit the site. Classilist WordPress theme is designed for versatile classified ad sites supporting various listing types like properties, cars, and services. It offers advanced search and filtering, customizable user dashboard, and monetization options like ad packages and featured listing. It's so simple than you think. Thank you for watching.